Hi guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create and maintain a very secure password which is almost impossible to hack or attack by any hackers or attackers. So it's very important to have a secure password, otherwise your password can be compromised by any bad people and they can misuse that because according to the security expert Troy Hunt, 773 million emails and 21 million passwords were compromised and it was available on the internet somewhere. However, it were pulled down by the authority, but still somewhere it's available. So you should must have a very secure password so that no one can crack that and no one can try to get any of your information. So let's proceed further. First of all, I will show you uh, how you can create a very secure password. And yes, one more thing guys, I have just started my blogging website also. The website name is www.pctipspro.com, as you can see. So you can also go to this website and you can get very good uh, tips and tricks uh, for your computer. And yes, I have also added a category of online earning, how you can earn money online in that blog post also, so you can check that. So let's proceed further. Here you can see I have listed some very important points to create a secure password. First of all, in order to create a secure password, try to create as long as possible a password. Like your password should be very long. Like it should be a long as you can remember, but it should not be that much long so that you can forget. You will forget in the future. So make sure create as long as possible, and which should be rememberable also. And second thing is avoid common words and phrases. Let me show you an example here. Uh, what is a common word and phrases? You can see the example, my password 1234 or ABCDE, something like that. So always try to avoid these common the digits and the words to include in the password, or just to mention these things only for the password, because it's easy to guess, it's easy to crack these kind of passwords. There are lots of the tools available on the internet to crack these kind of simple passwords, so just try to ignore these things. And yes, the first point which I mentioned in the slideshow, it's create as long as password. You can see guys, this is the example of the long password. So the longer password you will have, it will be difficult for the hacker or almost impossible for the hacker to crack your password. So make sure create as long as it should be possible. Now the third point I'm going to cover here, you can see use special character and symbols. Yes, this is very important guys. While creating a password, I will always recommend to use special characters and symbols. Let me show you an example here. You can see I have pointed out. You can see either you can use hash, you can use @ sign, you can use $sign, you can use %sign, star, and you can use any special character in your password. Make sure I would suggest you to at least include one of these uh, special characters so that your password should be more strong as compared to the normal one. Now that is it was a part of to create a secure password. Now if I talk about how to maintain a password security, that is also very important guys. See, there are two phases. One phase is you are creating a very secure password. Second phase is to maintain that password security. Otherwise, even if you are creating a very secure password and if you will not maintain the password security, that can still compromised by any bad people. So first thing I would say, to maintain your password security, do not repeat your password on other accounts. I mean to say, suppose if you are having suppose if you're using same password for your Facebook, for your Google, for your bank accounts and everything. So if any bad people or any hacker are getting access to the password, they can easily get access to you all the other accounts which are in which you have used the same password. It's very easy to log in, like get access to that. Second thing, second point, don't save the password in your browser. Let me explain you what it means exactly. Whenever, I believe you guys noticed that whenever you log in or you sign up for any website, or whenever you log into any online portal or the website anywhere, your browser will always ask you to save that password for the future, so that you do not need to put that password again and again in the future. But make sure, guys, try to avoid that. Let me explain you why. Because if you are saving the password, I have also saved the password, but I will suggest you not to do that, because if you're saving the password, it always goes to your browser. Okay, and let me show you an example here. You can see the password sections are coming up in the Google Chrome. So if you click on this password section, it will show the list of all the password which I have saved in my Google Chrome browser. And you can see there is a I icon also coming up. When I drag my mouse to this one, it's showing show password. So if I click on this show password, my password will be revealed. So suppose if any bad people are getting unauthorized access to your device, they can easily see these passwords, they can easily retrieve this password, and they can misuse that. Doesn't matter even if you're using different passwords, but if you are saving in your web browser, it will be very easy to crack, it will be very easy to retrieve that password for those kind of bad peoples. So never save your password to the browser, whether it's a Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, doesn't matter, just ignore that, avoid that. And yes, one more very important part is to here, oh I'm sorry, you can see use two-step verification. See, two-step verification is a process where every time whenever you log into your account, either it's a Gmail or Yahoo, whatever it is, so make sure that it will ask for the message, or it will send you a text message uh, that contain the verification code to log into your account. So for your account security, I think this is very good thing. If you have enabled two-step verification, apart from you, no one else can log into your account without your permission. But yes, there is a disadvantage of two-step verification also. Suppose if you are associating your phone number for the two-step verification, and in future if you will lose the access of that phone, then in that case it will create a problem for you. So use the two-step verification, but be careful about this also. Now the last but very most important thing, avoid using the security question system to recover your password. Suppose let's take an example. You are giving any security answers in while creating any account. What is your first pet name, what is your first high school, where you born, and which is your dream city and all. So avoid to answer these type of security questions while creating or while maintaining the password security, because it's very important to ignore these things, because uh, sometimes it's guessable, like whatever you're doing, whatever the security answer you're giving in there, sometimes it's very easy to guess. So try to avoid these things also. Or if anybody knows your these security answers, they can recover it, they can reset your password without your knowledge, right? So always try to avoid these activities, and I guarantee you that your password will be completely secure for the future, and you will never have to worry about anything else. So that's all, guys. I have covered almost everything in this video tutorial, I guess. If you have any query or if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section also, and keep visiting the website www.pctripspro.com. This is my blogging website. You can also read these tips and other online earning ideas through this blogging website. So thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.